Yes, I can I get the Kentucky Fried Chicken sandwich, please.
Make that two.
Two sandwiches.
This is sandwich only?
Yeah, two.
Okay.
And then can I get
Get fries for Wyatt. Oh, get him because he's gonna eat that. Doesn't he want a chicken, fried chicken, meal? Okay, then I might just.
Can you get a 5-piece combo, please?
Okay. And original?
Original, yes. And then on the 5 pieces, can have 3 drumsticks and 2 breasts.
3 drumsticks, 2 breasts, 2 starter with steak.
Red rice and fries.
Red rice, french fries, biscuit, or cornbread?
Cornbread.
Cornbread.
Thank you. There we are.
There's the new chicken sandwich, peeps.
Thank you.
It's gonna be awesome. What is Fish Con? What is that?
Fish market. I think you did that sign. Like a...
Oh yeah, that's right. You guys did do that sign. I heard you guys say that.
Hi.
Fish Con. Oh, I bet a lot of people are eating this today. Thanks to the point. Thanks, Ray. You described it so well. Yeah, I agree with you. It's not easy. That's the hardest to cook is fried chicken and barbecue chicken. So yeah, go to the professionals. Like Ray says, go to the professionals. They know how to make that breast chicken juicy the inside and crunchy the way it's supposed to be on the outside. Yum. I've got my mouth watering. There it is. Oh, wait. Bring it. What's beeping? Oh, because we're so close. Now, what's going on in there? Oh, look at all that. Oh, peeps.
Oh,
thank
you so
you.
much.
Oh, it's so late to do that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, she's covering me. Oh, there. Fried chicken. Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, what a beautiful bag. Let's do this, peeps. We're going to eat because the rant's done. Well, you know, just being honest. Seriously. I've never ever heard of $17. I just shot through the roof. I was like, whoa. Oh, they gave newspaper too? Oh, how nice. Why? Because we ordered the chicken? Wow, they gave us newspaper. They gave the, God, like I went shopping. Look at this. Wow, like we went shopping and look inside. So here's my other sandwich, is in there. And then, you know, the meal for Wyatt. And they gave you a newspaper. What's today's headline? Oh my God! Well, I was listening. It says 154 today, but this is 155th COVID death, and the COVID cases are surging. But peeps, you know, like they said this morning on the news, I was listening. I didn't record it, but yeah, it's the Chamorros. The Chamorros are the one that's not getting vaccinated, or not vaccinated, but it's the Chamorros where the cases are showing a lot. And the ones that are the cases that are increasing as the numbers keep coming in, it's Chamorros. The ethnicity that's turning out on that one is the ages between 18 and 39. Oh my goodness, here it is. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good. Peeps. Sorry, peeps. Oh, Jesus. has a pickle. Because the what do you call it? The other chicken? Pickle. That's kind of different. I want a sandwich. And a chicken sandwich. Tastes better on beef. But the chicken is good. It's thick. It's light. It doesn't taste. It's not like the zinger where it's really hard, crunchy hard. Because then you know that's really deep fried. This is really good. Now that's the chicken. It's not like those chicken sandwiches. That'd be bad. I'm so skinny. Alright. KFC redeemed themselves with this one.